Hi there, welcome back. For this next session, I'm going to look at how we use the cosine rule to find either missing sides or missing angles. The cosine rule applies to non-right angled triangles. And you generally use the cosine rule when you've got information or you're trying to find one of the three sides and one angle only as part of the information. We've got two formulae that we can use. We've got the a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a to find a missing length. Or we've got the missing angle formulae, which is a is cos to the minus 1, all in brackets, b squared plus c squared minus a squared over 2bc. So if you take a look at this first example, what we've got is we've got our three sides and one angle. So we know that it's the cosine rule. So the first thing we're going to do is label them in pairs. Now if you look at the diagram above, we label capital letters for angles and lowercase letters for sides. So this vertex here is going to be angle A, because that's the only angle we've got information about, which means lowercase a is opposite. And we have B and C. Now B and C are irrelevant really as to which way around you put them. So I've just gone for 11 as B and 9 as C. Next, I'm going to state the formula. So a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. I'm going to substitute my information in. So instead of saying a squared, we're going to say x squared. Instead of saying b squared, 11 squared, add c squared, which is 9 squared minus 2 times 11 times 9 times cos of 72. Calculator time now, so I'm just going to substitute all of that into my calculator. And that gives me x squared is 140.81. Now you keep the answer in your calculator because at the moment we've got x squared and we're trying to find the length x. So we use our square root of our answer key and we get 11.87 to 2 decimal places centimetres. For the second example, you'll see that we have three sides and we have a missing angle. So we're going to use the second formulae, but again we need to label it with respect to the angle. So if this is angle A, this is lowercase a, and again B and C. So if we state the formula, a equals cos to the minus 1 of b squared plus c squared minus a squared over 2bc. Only this time underneath we're going to replace all the letters with the values. So we've got 9 squared, not 8 squared, plus 8 squared. Although that wouldn't have affected our calculation, it still looks better to replace the values directly in the right positions, over 2 times BC, which is times 9 times 8. And again, calculator skills now. So shift cos to the minus 1, bracket, use the fractions key, 9 squared plus 8 squared minus 12 squared, all divided by 2 times 9 times 8. And just make sure your brackets are consistent. And that gives me an angle very close, ironically, to 90 degrees. It gives us 89.60 degrees. And that is how we use the cosine rule to find a missing angle or a length. Okay, good luck. Thank you.